The Kachin Independence Army, or KIA, have held talks with the Burmese army for the first time since fighting broke out in early June. On Thursday morning, high-ranking KIA officers and Burmese military officials travelled to a KIO liaison office in Laja Yan, inside the border of a Burmese army-controlled area of Kachin state. Renewed fighting first broke out between the two armies 3 weeks ago, effectively ending a 17-year-old ceasefire agreement between the two sides. The conflict has forced thousands of refugees to flee their villages towards the Chinese border. Many are living in relief camps in the KIA-controlled town of Laja. The talks, led by KIA Second-in-Command Brigadier General Gun Mo, called for more transparency from the Burmese. Recent rumours of a planned major offensive from the Burmese side have caused unease amongst the KIA, and their representatives called on the Burmese government to disclose formal documentation of their commitment to a ceasefire. And despite initial uncertainty as to the group's true intentions, the two sides do plan to meet again for further talks.